In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Tesco Bank credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, your new credit card should appear on your account summary screen. If it's your first time logging in after receiving the card, you may even see a notification saying Activate Card or your card is ready to activate. Tap on that prompt or select the credit card account directly. You should now see the Activate Card option. Go ahead and tap that. The app will ask you to verify a few basic details, such as the last 4 digits of your credit card, the expiration date, and your CVV number from the back of the card. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Tesco Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.